Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I install and style my UniWigs human hair extensions. So if you're interested to see how I went from this to this, then keep on watching.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night.
This is what my hair looks like freshly after the application, and what I love is that the extensions already came curled. Just saves a lot of time when it comes to styling. It literally took me like 5 minutes to install them. Super easy, and they're so thick you would never know. So this is a finished look. I'm obsessed with these extensions. They're just so easy to install and style. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Besos. Ciao.